Anije kan ho ye daddy e reshemu ebe ye fe.
Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abetasaki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmaelado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotte, we've been there. We've been there.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. 106.5 FM. So yeah, the tip of Jumadi and idea, but if you say copy, say no, tree ever ball. It a good deal with some and about the course. So, Uncle Phone Crew. So, if you send and so on, and pay about one, I do with some at the airborne and a pen. And 10 times as I said, very content faster. A mile boy for a promise was secure sanitary part and pay almost Taichi and a Dijmadi air by Minia by Mr. Ubo or Thomas. No, I just say, I was me a continue. And also a bit him I come and so at the man watching. Ahomeka pain relieving heat patch and I make am for the amount. Mr. We know ukwa mess or ukwa my bed one break so ha. Where they are Jumandi obey data Juman daytime you know by Obasa na do the nasa account you know say ohona ba bia ye bia no wo de wote ba kwa no na pepa ho no kama na wo de atare so be sima enum ko ni dusu no na aye ya no nyina enso de fo na so no what ma bo djuma kama na bia so atim aye kama so the amount 0599 802 297 0599 802 297 na chesempon phone so adjust na chima chamidi no omonso etim edama we na bo fa no poma so asan da gudem sem enso e de eba na 10 times start e Women's Premier League and Women's FA Cup no na o twere na grand finale no eno so etim abaso na Women's FA Cup no na ebe start first na nyame adoma kwesiada 3 p.m. or University of Ghana Sports Stadium and a Jumade no and also 18 attack also na Odwama coaches no and so 18 Edin Koma or reference Raymond Fenny or no and a Faith Ladies head coach and also Akasa Sina me adma Sunday a man of football no Momra University of Ghana Sports Stadium na moment support you yenti sama coach ada tuja
Sompa FM.
Enti ye hwese ene no toma jebabo enso edama enatiefo enanopa yento ansem no so na onim say ye da so gina ema no Women's Premier League ne Women's FA Cup no nyame aduma Premier League no so kweseda ya 6 p.m. enso so ena eba so yenti ensema coach Raymond Fenny enso eretu dwana.
Hello, this is Coach Raymond Fenny, the head coach of Faith Ladies. I'm taking this opportunity to invite Ghanaians to come to the Legon, that is Legon Sports Stadium, where we are playing the finals of the FA Cup against Jonina. It is going to be an exciting game, so I wish everybody will be there to come and watch a very beautiful football. And at the end of the day, Faith Ladies, we are sure of the victory. Victory is ours. Thank you.
Enti we sama oru reference Raymond Fenny head coach at the Faith Ladies and so at the student nyame aduma kweseda Faith Ladies amukwa kwaji Women's FA Cup no enso ede esi omna so na the opposite coach no aye Joseph Osewusu enso kweseda wasremo obia emra na Jonina Ladies omso no abaji Women's FA Cup no ede esi omna so.
Hello Ghana, this is Joseph Osewusu, head coach of Jonina Ladies. I urge each and everyone to come and witness Women's FA Cup final, Jonina Ladies against Faith Ladies on the 18th of May at Legon Sports Complex. Vamus Jonina, bring back the love. Vamus Jonina, peace. Of May at Legon Sports Complex.
Some coach Joseph Osewusu and so Aretuja on a head coach at the Jonina ladies and so on. I pay a dimus MIT for a free woman FA Cup near Women Premier League, multi-Guinness Women Premier League, now cherry and also matches and as a grand finale, and so 8 Abba. So now I'm Pim Dakua, and so the police ladies, not just from the Saudi zone and then the Northern zone, and also 8 Abba. So now, coach Adema Tima, a friend, and I say, well, police ladies, Urura, and I say, Chief Inspector Abu Kasim, na Ochima, na me Aduma, ni Timono, hey, Oya Barcelona, Oya Malodi Sanders, so, Oya Hayo, is any Timono, Obi Obachu, was something that one, it was good team, national Madama, Sunday, 6 p.m., or Investor of Ghana Sports and Mabawana, and so by the Women Premier League Cup, and so they some now. So
we are all at par now, and Bedakwa is still strong. In the past years, they were the best team by far, you understand? But then now, I'm not scared of any team. No. Now, Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaiser Chiefs, even Barcelona ladies can come. We are at that level in confidence where we believe that we can play against another team in the world, wherever, with the right sort of motivation. So we are all at par now. And Bedakwa is still a strong side, just like Hazakes ladies. But then we have upped our game. We are at that level where we can compete with any team. We'll go in there and try to make it easy for ourselves.
Anyway, someone over friends say, aha, not to say coach Abu Kasim, Chief Inspector, on a faith and as a way police ladies team no, a man ha, on I am head coach and then some on also so edited and a pedimus of MIT for now. About boy friends say, comfort Jabua and Susina kind Edima police ladies, aha, on also so Akasaka, comfort your boy, I want him that one. Now, Felicity, a Suakon, and so police ladies. Na ono so akasaka kra but before no yentie na ababo friends say comfort yeboa ono esina academy apim da ko a ne nsema ono so da tuja
a friend comfort yeboa mbam apim da ko ladies 18th this month yeboa fanas any police ladies a friend comfort yeboa mbam here support Ghana for some support this month yeboa fanas any police ladies.
Felicity esuakon ensusina kan the ma police ladies Felicity nyame adma kwesera nyme 6 p.m. University of Ghana also say na wo kan
din dia esuakon Felicity nyame adma 18th May yani ampenda ko Women's League final e wo Legon Mr. Obia se Obia me support here.
Anyway, some Felicity esuakon enso eretuja na enu onu sam ne cup ni mienu nyina FA Cup no and Premier League Cup no enso de ko kire honorable Kofi Adams na on sports and recreation minister na enra empanifo e de trophy no and as trophies ni mienu ekopiem e na so na honorable enso de nsem kakra to sinya me adma kwase da obesere so won kran ene ne mpatam ba bia obi ano the University of Ghana Sports Stadium na e man football no ye me support na bibia so ntim ne kama.
This weekend on the 18th of May, the finals of the finals will be played. The FA Cup finals and the Premier League, the Women's Premier League finals at the University of Ghana Sports Stadium. Each and every one of us is invited to be there because the best is yet to be seen and will be seen there. I invite you all to be there and contribute your quota. No gate fee is free. So come one, come two. Thank you.
About 21 summer, Honorable Kofi Adams, Sports Minister Honorable Kofi Idi Adams, and so on, the two Jano Perimusem, MINT for now away from one Jantin Tom or Ghana Premier League match week 31 results and as a fixtures are ever so now away and ever started and in Tianco, Nanko Goody Dimunko, and then Matisa, and also 18 Atoja, and then now away in our Matisa, and also away to my boss and from MIT from Sompa 106.5 and I pay. Now, maybe to say and results on as a fixtures and also a Besaka and then Accra Lions at Nephew now on a Jonah Stars. Stars so the Nyame adoma asake no ebeba so wo kire mo Nyame adoma ne kwasiada so match saka ne say eni saka sane kotoko betina kuma say Baba Yara Sports Stadium no ne Dream FC so ade abobrekum Chelsea e wo Golden City Park wo tena fie na one House of Folk so ade abona asake no yede musam so ade Baba Seke Holy Stars betina fie no ne Pound Heart of Flames so ade Kaula Football Club and Mitima Sporting Club so ebo Liu Mama Sports Stadium so on Vision tena fie no ne Young Apostles so that was summer test and Mitima United na Monday Night Football so etmamba so Lagos Cities so Nation Service game no na ano etmamba so na ahead of Nyame Adoma Sunday matches ever so coach Abubakar Watara head coach Adama Glorious House of Folk ana ochema sese aka 4 matches ha supporters obesremo emu se mu odin na so mumra na mo support House of Folk.
It will not, we need them. Positive, negative, but we need them. Because if you look everything in this world, when we are playing, we need the fans. When the fans are there, it's coming numbers, it's showing the team expecting something. When it didn't get that 3 points, or sometimes these people are disappointed, it makes some criticizing, normative. We encourage them every time to come because we need them. We need them to criticize.
Maybe 21 summer coach Abubakar Watara head coach at the House of Folk and so Adutudanan captain Benjamin Asare na ono so chema se ba bia du no emu ade wase team bia na House of Folk baba boy sans has a big team no ayre ntam you prepare Arisha has but
say big club and a team bia and so out in the one so on so office bia once a team near big club let's also show up the work until any match bia bet na ka say easy match and so say push patient training bia and bia come all those we fight say be next na konya we be oh they be pressure and that so now so the I can say one to check when I can so far 20 session bia is 100%. So says now can we dey bia sema me can say oh money on one yes on
about 21 summer Benjamin Asare captain at the House of Folk and to Janti when a young Rambuka Krabi and Farmer and Tifo and an pay Ramon phone close to I am not for 7 and I sent close 7 and so that man on a penna said La Liga I said Pasa said no Mercado says I dare no team the board to say Kukro not to say Omia champions 2024-2025 Nanua La Miyama and no born go share on the bra so pay here now some good cry and no Basa at 2 team friends Spanish who trying to come you Espano antimato no na tefe ati fie mato de club nso ko twa come no nso antimate Ray Varcano ati fie she 2 e ma Ray Betis nso no ati kanana so omso ehemi no ho no Osasuna anu a na obiam se eti Madrid akwa akoya aduma na nso eti Madrid antimate ntamom tehwe e ma Osasuna bo ma come no omso antimate na onum se boy fence Lami Yama 17 years na cha se boy na atuma oguso o ya na nyasam kutwa kra 2 La Liga trophies 1 Copa del Rey Spanish Super Cup no waji bako 2024 no so wajiba akwa na say golden boy and I say golden boy no and so wajiba akwa des na say boy no na achievement a oyen de ano odin papa Lami Yama no Nyame adoma na EPL matches no and so AB8 me abaso na Udomo Stamford Bridge na enya asem kuto akwa 7:15 PM Chelsea the Blues and Manchester United the Red Devils na man you say yetimi mama say na ye to Chelsea ntia say Chelsea man game no say ana no so be say akwa Aston Villa and so better fi no Tottenham Hotspur so e dey abano pere musem e ma inatiefo na unum say Spanish say we no aye French league and as a French football panfo chima yeah they say omo bible introduce be our French football no wa obet league udi second udi third udi fourth the top 4 by say league na akwa one side PSG wajia president Jama Gente say no introduce top 4 our French league and way answer your reporter and also free French football move no pere musem ma inative one some doors name we fancy na jwode akanso enso to say pitch on honum tinam je monitor to nenko jwode ku na pom so yasenom aye secure sanitary parliament ba chumni aba akona kwajibi na bosuma kontu enko kama information so ahamuka peni be relieving heat patch and so etachi and pay na che se wo ba bia ye bia no odi am se opebi odi no aso apepa honom kama na odi bia tar honom simanum ko ni simadu susu no na eya no nya so afro na so wetima de na bia so etim kama 0599802297 number 4 and so ajoso from Sarfo Kantanka papa toast awon kranza papa toast an pay ma me cha kwa so so pra o mo chichi feel ma me no systematic press and menu apani transport and pay na eduma kama kwa njari si na preaching and so wetima ba beto so.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back.